Oscar, Isabel, please stand up. Come here, please. Sit down. Stand up. Come here, please. Great. Walk. Stop. Turn around. Walk. Stop. Turn around. Great. Walk to the chairs. Sit down. Great. Stand up. Walk to your desks and sit down. Great. Anna, please go to the door. Stop. Open the door. Close the door. Anna, point to the door. Thank you. Sam, please stand up. Go to the whiteboard. Point to the whiteboard. Great. Touch the whiteboard. All right, Sam. Go to your seat and sit down, please. Thank you, Sam.
You're welcome.
Teresa, pick up the pen and paper, please. Come here. Put the paper on the table. Write your name. Show it to the class. Excellent. Now go to your chair and sit down. Woohoo! Thank you, Teresa.
You're welcome.
The paper is over the table. Over.
The paper is on the table. On.
The pencil is in the backpack. In the backpack.
The stapler is under the table. Under.
The pencil is in the backpack. In.
Oscar, where is the paper?
The paper is on the table.
That's great, Oscar. Isabel, where is the pencil?
The pencil is in the backpack.
Great, Isabel. Sam, where is the paper?
The paper is over the table.
Excellent, Sam. Teresa, where is the stapler?
The stapler is under the table.
Great.
Oscar and Isabel, stand up, please. Stand on the table. Great.
Sam, where is Oscar?
Oscar is on the table.
Oscar is on the table, or he is on the table. Teresa, where is Isabel?
Isabel is on the table.
Isabel is on the table, or she is on the table. Isabel, where's the book?
The book is on the table.
Good. The book is on the table, or it is on the table. Oscar, or he. Isabel, or she. The book, or it. Oscar, Isabel, please sit down.
Teresa, where is the tape?
It is on the desk.
Sam, where is the binder?
It is in the box.
Isabel, where is the stapler?
It is over the desk.
Good.
Oscar, where's the calculator?
It is under the flag.
He is, or he's. She is, or she's. It is, or it's.
Teresa and Sam, stand up, please. Please stand on the table. Isabel, where is Teresa?
She's on the table.
Oscar, where is Sam?
He's on the table.
Sam, where is the ruler?
It's on the table.
Teresa, where are you and Sam?
We're on the table.
Isabel, where are Teresa and Sam?
They're on the table.
All right. Okay, you two get down and have a seat, please.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Sam, take out a black pen. Great. Isabel, the green pen. Teresa's pen. Oscar's pen. Sam's pen. Isabel's pen. Anna's pen. My pen. whose pen is that?
This is my pen. Whose pen is that?
It's mine. Sam, whose pen is that?
This is my pen.
Oscar, whose pen is that?
It's mine.
That is your pen?
Yes, it is.
Teresa, is your pen a purple pen?
No, it's not. The purple pen is Anna's pen. My pen is blue.
Isabel, whose is the red pen?
The red pen is Oscar's pen, and the orange pen is Mr. Tandy's.
Or her pen? His pen? Her pen? His pen? His pen. The orange pen is Mr. Tandy's pen, or it's his pen.
The blue pen is Teresa's pen, or it's her pen. Sam, Teresa, you hold the black pen. Isabel, Oscar, you hold the red pen.
This is our pen, or it's ours.
Teresa, whose pen is that?
This is our pen.
Isabel, whose pen is that?
It's ours.
Anna, whose is the red pen?
That pen is their pen, or it's theirs.
Oscar, whose is the black pen?
It's theirs.
Sam, whose is the red pen?
That is their pen.